ਸਾਡੇ ਲਾਰੇ ਨੀ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਮੁਸਕਾਰਾ ਝੂਠਾ ਜੋ ਪਰਦੇ ਪਾਵੇ ਨੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਆ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਾਏ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਚਾਰੇ ਨੀ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਕੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੋੜਦੀ ਜੋ ਟੁੱਟਦੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਨੀ ਆਉਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੇਖ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਡਾਲਰ ਕੁੱਟੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਕੁੱਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟੇ ਦੇਖ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਕੁੱਟਾ ਮੈਂ ਆਉਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੇਖ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੌਣ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਪਿਲੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬਾਲ
अच्छा लगे की लेने see full mahane yeah good. Assalamu alaikum guys, we are in Kashmir right now and we've got the stuff that my wife wanted and what else do we need? I don't know. I'll let the missus decide because she's the boss. Cake rustling and too much choice but we always go for yadgar. These are nice guys. If you're ever gonna get masala, these ones are crap and Shan's not too bad, but obviously I think someone said you can't have Shan, but these ones, the Ziza ones, we found are the best and they taste a lot better as well. National, they're even worse, no good. Today is the 5th of November and people are collecting a lot of the wood which has already been done, which is already just to cross a couple of steps here and lots of wood there, just all turned up out of nowhere and hopefully tonight the weather's good, we're going to have a nice bomby night. Well, I'm laughing at this guys because these have been sitting in our house for a year, just down here, and Adam bought these last year, and I don't think he used them because we all had my nephew last year. He bought loads of fireworks. Obviously, they were quite big and they made the bigger sounds. These ones, they're not making that bigger sound, guys. Even your voice can drown out these sounds of these. But yeah, so they use. So hopefully today is gonna use these and get rid of them. Finally, we can call these bye-bye to these. So yeah, can't wait to get rid of these guys. This is what we could see, guys, as I woke up, to be honest with you. And down here, a car's being down here, parked up and thrown all the waste. They need to put something there to stop vehicles coming up, guys. You got another vehicle that was probably parked up here. And if you look at it, some of this is not even wood. This is just going to give off black smoke, cars.
What the heck?
Yeah, Zaki.
I see the car.
You see? Vehicles coming up here, you got building rubble. Yeah. Literally, this is becoming a fire hazard. I think it's not even a bonfire. It's just people throwing rubbish all over. It's a hazard to that fence there because it's plastic and that'll easily catch fire. And it's a big hazard to this corner house. Whatever happens tonight, let's see. And you got a cooker hood there, which is not even wood, metal, glass. Can you see? Walk down these stairs and look at this view here, guys. Mattresses, you got pallets, you got carpets, you got all sorts of crap. You got a door here. Someone just dropped a door off. It's not even a bonfire the way it's supposed to be, tall and high. It's all just scattered around.
It's a good little fire.
It's not a bomb, right, is it? It's just a waste that's been scattered or rubbish that's been dumped. Oh well. It seems like someone set off the fire a bit early, and I'm going to go out there. Before I do that, I'm just going to get changed into something, some of my old clothes, so the fire smell doesn't go into them, into these, sorry. So that's the reason why I'm going to get changed before I head out. I'll see you in a bit. You know, that's the fire. Adam, get down, man. Adam, it's not your responsibility to move out from there. It's raining, it's raining. Zaki, watch that. थोड़ी वीडियो बना दी What? And you can see that fire glow in my face, that red glow in my face. There's only two smelly boys here. You know what? I'm literally a couple of steps away from the fire because that's all I can how far I can go because of this fence.
How cold is this, Ayan? Ayan? So many stuff there.
It's boiling.
Ayan?
That's where we're standing. And that's
Have we
where
did
the
your
fire is.
fireworks?
What fireworks? We ain't got fireworks.
No, your little one. Have we did them?
No.
Papa, remember the day we did the fireworks?
Yes.
And there was a whole one, and we did it all, and I was inside it in one. Yeah?
Yes. Raita, palau with chicken curry, salad and salad. It's I've already tried it, but it tastes amazing. Amazing. But anyway, I just wanted to say that today was the 5th of November. The fire is lit and I've just come inside. And personally, I think did it opening. It's not about bonfire, it's all about getting your kachra out and lighting on fire, all the rubbish. The Sade opening ni jere haram kamne sade jada agene hona chahiye. We missed out on all the fireworks, guys. Missed out on all the fireworks. The problem is, someone lit the fire a lot earlier than usual, and when we get down here, they just find out what time it is. Okay, so 8:45, and about 45 minutes ago, and up to now, a lot of fireworks were going off, and I missed all of them. And I just went out, I just got a couple on camera for you guys, but missed out on all of them. And the problem is because everyone was there when the fire was on. Everyone, neighbourhood, everyone was out watching the fire. And unfortunately, those people who bought the fireworks, they let them off a little bit late, and everyone else was at home, and especially me, so I couldn't get them on camera. And I blame those people who set the fire up too early. So, unfortunately, if they had waited for the fire to be set off a little bit later, around 7, half 7, then it would have been perfect because it would have been a good night. But it is what it is, unfortunately. Oh well.